Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling the data saver feature on the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon on the bottom right to be directed to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right. And now you want to scroll down here underneath where it says your app and media, and you want to select data usage and media quality versus data saver. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. Click inside that oval until it's toggled to the right, meaning it's turned on. And you can also adjust when high resolution media is played by selecting on that, whether it's never, always, or just on Wi-Fi only. So it gives you guys a few different options to work with there. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.